Today, let's take a simple concept and see if we can expand on it. So let's go. Hey everyone, today we're going to have a little bit of fun. I have been doing a lot of image transfers, and I'm finding I'm having a difficulty with my little animated girls. So I'm going to try to do a new technique for me. It's actually a pretty old technique for most. I'm going to do a trace of this. I've got some parchment paper that came out of my kitchen. I'm going to trace out the image, and then I'm going to try to do a transfer of image to my gel plate. So I'm going to get started, and I'll talk to you in the middle, and we'll see what we can come up with here. So here we go. So now I'm going to take this and put it onto the gel plate. Now there are two other sisters that I'm going to be doing, but I want to see how this girl goes first before I start anything else. It's a pretty close facsimile of the original. Let's see how we do. So we did. Did we get a good transfer? Yeah, we did. Kind of like that. It was an easy way to go about it. So, let's leave her off to the side. I'm going to do her sisters now. I let this dry completely, and so I'm gonna take some time and pull this up. You got to be really careful. I used wet strength. Well, excuse me. This is a medical exam paper to pull this up. So you have to be a little bit careful, especially if you let it dry completely, because that has a tendency to stick a lot more. Now the paints I put down, it was more just to make sure that, number one, I could make sure that I could get the paint to come up with it completely, and number two, to see how far I could push it to paint into the lines a little bit. And I will tell you that I am pretty happy with what I got here. Okay, so there you have it. Is it a great piece? You know what? It's an element that can go into a collage. Do I like the technique? I like the possibilities of this technique. I'll refine it, and you probably see more of this. Yeah, it's pretty crude, but I like the fact that I can now trace an element to add into a collage or whatever, and be able to use it. So I put this into the success category. So this is my first one. I'm going to continue to work on this. These are two of the girls that are going to go into a collage very soon, and you should be seeing that probably in the next week or so. So this has been Thursday Train. Up before me, you should have seen Gert of Gert Creates. Up after me is either going to be Janice, or of just Janice, Julie of Art by Julie E, or Adrian and Corey of Art's Really Cool. One of the three. So I want to thank you very much for being here, and I really do hope that you got something out of this. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section. I do answer all the comments. If you have any questions or you have any statements, tell me what you think about this possibility of a technique. Secondly, go ahead and give me a like and share with friends that you have that might see this as something they could work with. And last but not least, subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really does help. Doesn't cost a cent, and it helps with the algorithm and help me grow my channel. So I want to thank you again for being here today. I hope that you did get something out of this, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.